It's time to set up my liquid perk station. Get to spray it in the yard. Oh, wouldn't it be nice to have like one container I can mix all my liquids in and just attach a water hose and just walk around with my water hose and casually spray and just enjoy the moment. Hey guys, welcome to Sun in Bermuda. Today I'm going to look at the EZ-FLO, and this is the, look at the model, the EZ-1010-HB. And what this is, this connects directly to the water hose or sprinkler and feeds the yard. Similar, they have these for the hook up to an irrigation system. I don't have an irrigation system, so this should work perfectly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my water hose to it and put down some product this evening, and I'll kind of walk you through the process. Okay, what this is the hose bib connector. You basically put this on your water hose, hook this up to your bib, and then you have a blue indicator. So you put the black hose, comes with it. The black hose goes into the blue connector, and then you put it in the blue end here. It's nicely labeled here. It says in and out, and then you have your settings. You have slow, 1, 2, and then fast. But there's love bugs, they're everywhere. But then you take your clear one, because you want your clear one on the outside, and that way you can actually see your product as it's coming out, and then you can see when it's empty. So you would actually push this in and then connect it back over here to the green in port here, and put your water hose here and start spraying. That's really all there is to it. And then inside here, see if I can open this one-handed. There it is. It's basically just 2 straws here. This one, of course, is water is coming in the blue side. It comes here. This is called your agitator, because it's shooting water in and it's shooting it down into your tube here, into your little canister, agitating your liquids, keeping them mixed up. And then this here has a filter on it as it sucks in and comes out the green, which would be the clear, and out your water hose or your sprinkler, whichever the case may be. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some liquids today. This is perfect for putting down hume, fertilizer. So let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to throw down several liquids. I got 4 laid out here. I'm going to first use the Impro. This is called a micro mix, and this has a lot of your good micros. The application rate of this is 3 to 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I'm going to put it on the back, which is a little over 3,300 square feet for the back. Put 18 ounces of this. And then the other product I'm going to do, so I'm going to put down a 0025, which is always good at the end of summer to really promote root growth. That way you have strong roots throughout the winter. And of course it's 25, so that's 25% of potassium. And the application rate is the same as 3 to 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet with a minimum of 1 gallon of water. And then also we're going to put down some root hume right here. And you've seen this in my previous videos, where I've done this to the back as well. Try and do it monthly. And then also the seaweed, which is the soil hume. I'll put some of that in there as well. It's also really recommended to use a backflow preventer or vacuum breaker, I guess they're called. That way your product doesn't, back up into your system. Got it topped off with some water after putting all of my product in there. I may have topped off a little much, hope it doesn't overflow too bad. We'll go ahead and put our top on here. All right, there's a note on here: to avoid tank rupture, do not leave system under constant pressure. So when we get done, we'll be sure to press these green and blue things in. That's what the instructions say, to relieve the pressure on the tank, and then we can take the top off and then clean the tank out. The first thing we're going to do is install our hose bib connector, this piece right here. I've already got my backflow preventer on. So I'm going to also always make sure you have your rubber gaskets in here. Always double check, make sure they didn't fall out, just preventing leaks. Okay guys, I got this set up. Again, turn the water on, got my backup preventer here. Water comes in through the black tube all the way down. It also comes with shut-off valves for right here. You can put on each side to turn off. As you can see, the product's already pressured up in here. And then from here, it goes through the clear one up, and it's going to come out the water hose, which I will connect right now. And then we'll turn the water on. Slowly turn the water on, we'll be able to see the water. There it goes. And then as I turn on the water hose here, watch it. You'll see it slowly. After it gets the air out of the line, there it goes. You see it running down the system. It's going to run into the water hose. Okay guys, here we are in the backyard. As you can see, it's lost a lot of its green. It's really getting cool. We're dropping down in the mid 50s at night, in the 80s during the day. Sometimes we don't get above 70s during the day. But I'm gonna spray this entire area from this corner all the way around to up here. It's about 3,200 square feet. Here's the old white bucket test to make sure you have product coming out. There we go. You can still see it dark. Guys, I got my sprinkler set up now. I did 3 even sprays using the old hand nozzle here, and I made sure I get the corners real good that the sprinkler won't reach, but the sprinkler pretty much will reach this entire center area. I got it set up so I make sure it doesn't get on the concrete or the walkway here and stain it, because it does have iron in it. So I'm going to let it run and finish out the product. We're back around here. As you can see here, we are still getting some product out. It's not quite as dark as it was before, so it's evidently down to the bottom. Yeah, I don't hear any gooshing around. There you go. You can kind of see the bubbles when I shook it up. It sucked in some bubbles. So I'm gonna let the sprinkler run a little while, try and get as much out as possible, and then we'll take it apart and we'll clean it up. So right now we're gonna end this video in the backyard. The sprinkler's gonna run, try and clean out that hose, and then also I have to unhook it. The directions say to hook up the hose directly to the water faucet and flush out all chemicals in the hose, because you may want to wash your car or whatnot with the same water hose, or wash off your driveway, and you don't want that product in your hose, definitely not. But I'm not too concerned with that because this hose here is mostly used here in the backyard for putting down product. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down here in the corner, and be sure and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the EZ-FLO. You gonna get you one? You thinking about possibly trying one out? Well, just let me know what you think. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great and beautiful day.